Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Papia Vlogs. I hope you all are doing fine. Well, today's video is gonna be very interesting one as it is inspired on the thought home is where the heart lives. Well friends, we spend a lot of quality time after a day's long hectic work at home. That's the reason why our home should have lot of positive atmosphere, a sense of well-being, and above all, each and every space should be clean and well decorated. Friends, as we all know that we live in big or small houses, however, transforming a house into a beautiful home is what matters, which requires lot of patience, a sense of creativity, and an artistic bent of mind. Keeping this point in my mind, today I am glad to invite a special guest of honor who herself is an interior decor blogger. She provides professional consultancy all over India related to interior decor. And not only this, she is also a furniture manufacturer expert, has a huge fan following in Instagram, the ID, the details of which I would be providing in the description box below. So, inspired by her great sense of creativity, my guest of honor has recently started her own YouTube channel by the name of Go Boho Studio. So I shall recommend you to kindly visit her YouTube channel and please do subscribe to her channel so that you get lot of interior decor design ideas both from her YouTube as well as from her Instagram account, the links of which I shall be providing in the description box below. So as you can see, this beautiful spaces where she has actually transformed a house into a beautiful living space. Each and every corner and spaces has been well utilized, and these interior decorative ideas are generally inspired by the boho culture or the contemporary or the traditional as per the requirement of her client or as per the occasion. So now let's enjoy the beautiful houses she has transformed, the lot of creativity, hard work, and lot of passion is involved in creating a beautiful home, which is well reflected in each and every spaces of the homes she has designed. So this is the beautiful Christmas tree. This is a well cozy bedroom with lot of lighting. This is a beautiful balcony, and this is the boho culture inspired corner which she has created. And here comes my guest of honor, Miss Shefali Pandey.
You saw the images right now and must be wondering, where are you sitting? Are you sitting in a dreamy world, a fairyland, or are you sitting in a house of a celebrity? Well, in that case, let me give you a sweet pinch and welcome to my YouTube channel, Papia Vlogs. So friends, today I am extremely glad to invite a special guest of honor who is my personal favorite too. And she is a successful interior decor expert, and not only that, she is an expert in furniture manufacturing. Not only that, she is, as not the least, she has a big fan following in Instagram too. Without wasting much of your time, I am pleased and glad to invite Ms. Shefali Pandey, who in this young age is a successful interior decor expert, where she beautifully transformed her house into a beautiful home, the images of which I would be displaying in this video. She can transform any house into a beautiful home as per your choice. She takes various design ideas, be it boho, contemporary, traditional, as per the need, as per the requirement, or as per the occasion. So without taking wasting much time of yours, let me invite Shefali. Shefali, I'm extremely glad to inform and invite you to my YouTube channel Papya Vlogs. And also my first question to you is, if you can give you a brief introduction about yourself, and also my viewers would like to know that if they want to become interior decorators or experts, can they pursue their dreams? Do they need to be certified for that? And also we would like to know, if my viewers would like to connect, how can they connect? As you mentioned that we can follow you through Instagram, you would be providing your email account also, which I would be definitely mentioned in the description box below this video. So apart from that, my viewers are located in various parts of India and the world. So if they can connect with you directly, please do let us know. And friends, before Shefali could say anything, let me tell you that I have already spoken to her, and you can seek professional advices by connecting through her Instagram account, and also she would be mentioning her email account, which I would be mentioning in the description box below. So Shefali, let's get started, and please let us know more about you, and also please share some tips, tricks and ideas for interior decor. So over to Shefali now.
I'm Shefali from Goboho Decor. I'm an interior decor blogger and furniture manufacturer. Today I'll be talking about how you can convert your balconies into outdoor spaces. Balconies are the best place for apartment dwellers to get some sun, fresh air and connect with the nature. But balconies are often neglected part of our houses and used as a place for extra storage, or more often than not a dump yard. So I'll be sharing some design tips and some decor elements that you can use to reclaim that space and make it a place you would love to spend time in. The first pointer would be to think of it as a living room. Use a design formula that you use in your living room to make sure it's a space that you'd like to spend your time in. Fill it up with comfortable seating, some mood lighting, side table and a lovely cozy rug. Since balcony is an outdoor space, make sure all the furnishings that you use can be easily washed. The second design pointer would be to give it a nice vacation vibe. If your balcony is large enough, put in a swing, really nice comfortable chairs. Since tropical prints are in fashion this season, so you can use nice tropical printed cushion covers, and you can also put in a canopy. The third would be to allow it to be a focal point. If you have a balcony that's attached to your living room or your bedroom, face the furniture towards the balcony. That way you'll be creating a nice flow from inside to out, making your indoors appear larger and giving a nice seamless connect with the balcony outside. Another important tip would be to add a sense of privacy, since most of our balconies are overlooking someone else's homes or someone else's balconies in apartments. Add in a privacy divider. Let's move on to decor. The three most important parts of decorating a balcony are seating, plants and decor elements. Make your seating comfortable, weather resistant and something that is easy to move when you want to clean. If you don't have space to put in a lot of plants, you can use vertical shelves, you can use wall shelves, you can even use balcony railings to put on your pots on. The third element is decor. Since the space is small, make sure you don't fill it up with a lot of chunky decor. Use nice mood lighting, wrap up some string lights on your railing. Use light to your advantage to create a nice dramatic vibe there. Use your wall space, decorate your walls with wall art, decorative mirrors. You can put in candles in jars and get the vibe on. Hope you found this helpful. If you would like to know more, you can visit my blog goboho.in, or you can check out my profile on Instagram, goboho.decor. Thank you.
These are some of the sample interior decorations done by Shefali. So please have a look.
So thank you once again for coming to my channel Papya Vlogs, and I'm extremely glad my viewers are equally glad to meet you. Thank you so much for the wonderful ideas which you have shared with us, and definitely we would like to connect with you. So friends, if you have liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family to WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, any of the social networking site. And if you are new to my YouTube channel Papya Vlogs, please do subscribe to Papya Vlogs with the bell button on, and do not forget to hit the all so that you get regular notifications of all my upcoming videos. So thank you once again, and stay connected for my upcoming videos. For now, bye bye.